The most popular gaming genres, shooters place the player in the center of the action, making him feel like a real hero. In this list, we're only going to include first-person shooters, since they're the most engaging type and they create the illusion of reality in the best way possible. Some of the criteria for selection was made based on popularity, innovation, graphics, and historical relevance in gaming. We're also sticking to only one entry per series for games that had multiple iterations over the years. Praised for its amazing storyline and graphics, Half-Life 2 is a first-person shooter where you not only shoot and use different weapons, but take part in a narrative journey. The action takes place in a dystopia, an alternative Earth where Gordon Freeman is the hero that has to fight his way out of difficult situations. Since its multiplayer scene is not too popular, we're placing Half-Life 2 on the 10th spot of our list, but we give it all the credit in the world for the story and authentic gaming experience it features. The player uses both human and alien weapons, changing perspectives between the humanoid Master Chief and the extraterrestrial Arbiter. The player can carry two weapons at the same time, or three if one of them is dual-wielding. The fact that you can use two guns at the same time created a very satisfying feeling that fulfilled the dreams of many gamers back when it was released. Besides this feature, we can also mention the great graphics, sound design, and the multiplayer scene as some of the features that made Halo 2 such a beloved first-person shooter. The title launched back in 2006, praised for its cinematic look and impactful destruction scenes. Black makes for a shooter enjoyed by many. The